시동을 걸고 이제 라이트를 켜놓을 거예요.
네. Finally, I'm taking a photo shot with Veloster N. And as you guys probably just saw it on the monitor there, this looks already amazing as is. But then again, when I'm uploading this video, I'll have the final cut with the car as well. So stay tuned for that. With the first initial tests and shots. So here. And by the way, the process and the work here is just unbelievable. It took less than like 10 minutes to get one of the best shots here. So this is the raw file of the photo, which will be working, and then of course I'll be showing you the results at the end of the video. Gonna get the rear shot of the Veloster N, turning the car around, but then this turning radius is seriously a pain in the butt. All you Veloster N owners out there, you guys know what I'm talking about, but just turning this car around, it is really, really tight. I've never cleaned Veloster N this thoroughly before. I think it's gonna be my first time and the last time. Because you guys know, I got this car to be behind the wheel and have fun, not necessarily make it a beauty queen. But then again, today's the day where she gets to be the beauty queen, so treating her right. The next shot is right behind Veloster N. As you can see, we got the lights on, and this is one of my personal favorites angle actually. We'll see how this turns out. So this is the next round, one from the back. Pulled out the Veloster and my friend's taking a shot with his car. But then, guess what's going on right here? It's raining outside. So much for the car wash. It's raining and she's already all wet. Well, by the way, that's a beautiful Z4 right there. All right, so we're done for the day. These two cars did a great job. They kept it still, they didn't flinch. All right, that was a terrible joke, but all right, so we're done. And so much for my car wash, and then it just stopped again. But then, geez, every time I car wash, that happens. And that's not just me. So that's it. Don't miss out the photo at the end of the video. This is gonna be awesome. All right, had a lot of fun, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cut. It's not as bad as that of a German cars, but the dust from the disc brakes and rotors, it pile up a lot on the front brake, obviously. Before the shoot, I gotta clean up the wheels, especially this caliper, because I already did clean it up, as you can see, but it was half black and half red. So cleaning this up, and usually I really don't wash my car, although I really should. You know, it's a black car, but for the photo shoot, of course, I just gotta do it. So there's not that many spokes compared to my friends over here, and he's on his own. I'm not gonna help him clean that because I've done it several times and it's just a pain in the butt. All right, so gonna clean up those wheels and do a little bit on the back and just briefly wrap it up around and then head over to the photo shoot. I'll see you guys there.